here we are. Fourth call of the day. Newer piece of equipment from 2015. Said it started up and they get a rattling noise. I think you might want to change the filter. And the poor mouse, I think, was causing the rattling noise. Get this guy out of here. Yeah, he got chopped up. He's missing part of his body. Oh boy. Let me stick my hand back there and see if there's any cardboard. No. So, let me go out and get a filter and see if I can start this thing up and if there's any other rattling noise. Man, those are maintenance. I think I got a leak right there. That usually leaks on top of the trap, and then we get that. So I'll seal that up. Yeah, that was the problem. And the dirty, nasty filter has been changed in, I don't know, 5 years, 4 years, something nasty. But yeah, he got chopped by that fan. People need to maintain their stuff. I'm going to recommend mouse traps. Alright guys, see you in the next one.